Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the edge panels on this device. Go to settings and tap on the option display. Scroll down, here you can see the option edge panel. Turn on this one. So in this device I already enabled the edge panel. Here you can see the edge panel here. If you tap on the option edge panel, here we can customize the panels. If you tap on the option panels, now only the apps panels is added to the edge panel. Here you can see we can add it the people, task, weather, tools, clipboard, reminders. So according to your choice, you can add these panels to your edge panel. Okay, the edge panel provide quick access to applications, tools and contacts from the side of the screen. It is useful shortcut features that can improve the productivity. So simply in this way, we can enable the edge panel on this device. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.